I tell you, who doesn't love a good coming to America moment? Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures and the Summer Birthday Club Closed Collab, celebrating our summer birthday queens. Links to all of my sisters' YouTube channels will be in my description box below, as well as a link to the playlist. So I'm doing a little buffet setup to celebrate my sisters' birthdays in shades of pink. So let's share a toast to celebrate my YouTube sisters on their special day. And a little cake and ice cream. I hope you enjoy it. Let me take this opportunity to wish my YouTube sisters a very happy birthday. Allie over at Glam Elegant Living, Penny at Penny's Place, Felicia over at the Rogers House, and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Happy birthday, my sisters, and many, many returns of the day. Please stop by the playlist and show them some love and wish them a happy birthday. And visit all of my other sisters for some awesome birthday decorating inspiration. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now, in case you haven't heard, let me tell you about the latest collab team on the platform, the Ladies of Elegance. Please join us as we present Sophisticated Saturdays every second Saturday of the month at 6 p.m. We are hosting a freestyle open collaboration. Create a DIY or decorate any area of your home and use the hashtag Sophisticated Saturdays. Please join us. We would love to have you. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope this video gives you inspiration. Until next time.